I'm here today at Colegau Nantgarw campus, where it's been an absolute pleasure to speak to learners about our Education Maintenance Allowance. So I just wondered if any of you have got any reflections on EMA?
It gives you financial confidence and teaches you a lot of skills. You're able to feel like you can manage yourself when you move to college.
Rydw i wedi bod yn arfer gwersi gyrru ac mae hanner o fe yn mynd yn y banc am hynny, wedyn mae hanner o fe yn mynd i'r tŷ os fel mae mam angen arian I prynu pethau.
They look at their peers and they don't get the same opportunities, so I think EMA definitely gives them that opportunity. And I think it's amazing for transport.
And also to share with them the news that we are able to uplift the minimum household income threshold, bringing more learners into the system as well. There'll be an extra 3,500 learners brought into the system after this changes, and it's just been really positive to speak to these young people and see how much it means to them. They won't have to worry as much about transport costs, about the costs of food, and that they'll be able to focus more on their studies and less on any part-time work.